Our body holds an extraordinary power, the ability to repair, restore, and renew itself. At the center of this power are stem cells, nature's master cells of regeneration. But as we age, our stem cells decline, and so does our ability to heal. In this video, we'll reveal everything you need to know about stem cells.
In the early embryo, very soon after fertilization, stem cells are created, capable of differentiating or maturing into other tissues in our body. These cells are called pluripotent stem cells, but very quickly thereafter, they become specialized. They can only contribute to the tissue in which they live. These are tissue-specific stem cells. So stem cells in the brain only produce new brain cells, and those in the gut produce gut cells. Almost all our organs contain a small population of these tissue-specific stem cells. In every tissue, many cells die when they reach their normal lifespan or after injury. In some tissues, the lifespan of cells is very long. Cells in the heart, skeletal muscle, brain, and the lens in your eye all live very long. In contrast, in other tissues, the lifespan of cells is very short, such as skin, gut, and blood. In fact, every week the inner lining of your gut is renewed, and every month your skin is replaced completely. This is possible by tissue-specific stem cells, which continuously replace cells that have become damaged. One could argue that tissue stem cells are nature's own anti-aging mechanism. Without these stem cells, many tissues would age prematurely, as no repair could ever happen. Whereas skin wounds recover very quickly in young infants, as we grow older, healing gets more difficult. Many old people suffer from too few blood cells and become susceptible to infections or anemia. It seems very plausible that reduced tissue functionality is directly related to reduced stem cell functionality. So how do stem cells age? As stem cells divide, they replicate their DNA and pass this on to their two daughter cells. Damaged DNA is therefore bad for stem cells. Patients that suffer from diseases that result in increased levels of DNA damage typically have problems with regenerating tissue and age prematurely. A special case of DNA damage relates to the ends of chromosomes, also referred to as telomeres. The ends of telomeres shorten a little bit with every cell division. If the ends become too short, a stem cell cannot properly divide anymore. There may be multiple reasons why stem cells perform worse with age. Stem cell therapy is a potential solution that aims to solve this problem. Mesenchymal stem cells, or MSC, are pluripotent stem cells with the ability to lengthen telomeres, rejuvenate cellular health, and regenerate damaged tissue, so we can live longer and enjoy a higher quality of life.